Hey guys, welcome you all to my YouTube channel Annie with Appu. Today I will take you to a place far from the city which is full of natural beauty and hills with scenery and water resources. We are going to Saptasajya, which is around 90 kilometers away from the capital city Bhubaneswar in the state of Odisha. Saptasajya is in Dhenkanal district in the state of Odisha. Saptasajya is situated at a distance of 11 km from Dhenkanal district and is well connected by road transport. The road connecting to Saptasajya from the main state highway goes through a small village. The road is a little bit narrow and is occupied by trees on both sides. The road crosses through the forest as well as is elevated enough to reach the spot. Mythologically, this place finds its mention in many legends. According to folklore, it derives the name from the surrounding 7 hills. There is a different folklore that is the Saptarishi had their hermitages in this place, thereby giving the place its name as the 7 beds or 7 homes. There is also a mythological story that Lord Rama during his Vanavas had spent 7 days in this spot. Another folklore goes that the Pandavas during their 12-year Vanavas and 1 year of Agyatbas had chosen these mountains for shelter. Saptasajya is a popular tourist hub for the offbeat generation crowd who want to relax and move away from busy life. It is advised in most tourism sites that a daily excursion to the village from nearby tourism hub Dhenkanal is the best option. There are no hotels or suitable urban accommodation provision noted in this village. The reserve forest boasts of rich flora and fauna and is a good retreat from busy urban life. The nearest airport is Viju Patnaik International Airport at Bhubaneswar. The nearest bus and railway station is at Dhenkanal. Apart from the natural environment of the place, there are many old temples that attract visitor attention. There is one particular Raghunath temple complex with main deity being Lord Rama that attracts tourists and the local alike. Inside the temple complex, there are temples like Annapurna temple, Kali temple, Surya Narayan temple, Rameshwaram Siva, Ganesha, Mahavir and the Navagraha temple with one room for each graha are also present. Mahakali, Mata Saraswati, Sri Narsingha temple are conceived to be built in the holy complex. The Saptasajya Reserve forest is a relatively small protected forest reserve of 20 square kilometer in the Chota Nagpur Plateau region. It is a mixed deciduous forest dominated by the sal tree. The fauna mainly consists of wild goats, buffaloes, cows, leopards, elephants, and variety of birds. Hope you liked this video and it attracted your attention. So guys, please share your feedback in comment section. Stay tuned with me for more interesting facts and videos, and don't forget to like and share my videos, and also don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Hare Krishna.